I'm Mackenzie Mahoney from the Guide, and this is my recipe for rooster wings made with spice to meat use rooster spice. Fresh horseradish, Frank's Red Hot, Worcestershire sauce, salted butter, spice to meat use rooster spice, and chicken wings. Sometimes you'll find that your wings are already separated into drumette and wing, or sometimes you'll find them like this. So let me show you how to quickly remove all of the pieces. So you're gonna wanna find the joint and just cut right down, get all the skin so you've got the drumette, and then you're gonna wanna separate the wing from the wingtip. So again, you're gonna find the joint and just go right down. You can discard the wingtips. So our first step in the rooster wings is to pat your wings dry. So the last thing you want is for your wings to be very moist, and you want them to hold onto the rooster spice. So just take a paper towel and pat them dry. Then you're going to want to rub them with the rooster spice. So do one side, and then flip them over. So once you've rubbed your wings with your rooster spice, you're going to want to take the wings, put them in a Ziploc bag, shake them up a little bit, and refrigerate them for 1 hour. So while your wings are in the fridge, I would preheat your oven to 425. Then, once it's been about an hour, remove them from the Ziploc bag, place them onto a cookie sheet, and pop them in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Remember that halfway through you should flip them so that both sides of the wings get cooked. So while your wings are cooking, you can prepare your sauce, which is 4 ingredients. You're going to take the Frank's Red Hot, the butter, the Worcestershire sauce, and the fresh horseradish. And then you're going to combine it with a spatula, a whisk. A whisk might be difficult because of the butter, but just make sure that it's all incorporated. Make sure that your butter also has sit out for a little bit, because as you can see, it's a little difficult. But I'm making it well ahead of time for the wings, so it should be able to soften up. And especially when the wings hit the bowl and the sauce, it'll melt and it'll become this ooey gooey delicious sauce for our rooster wings. So once the wings are out of the oven, we're going to place them into our bowl and toss to combine. So you're going to put them in and coat them evenly. You might want to do this in sections depending on how many wings you have, how much sauce, but make sure that they're fully combined together, and then you're ready to eat. I'm Mackenzie Mahoney from the Guide, and this is my recipe for rooster wings.